Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? The life of a freaking YouTuber. You can't just easily just do anything. This was just so disgusting.
Oh, there's room.
Hey! Happy day quarantine 612, or at least that's what it feels like, and it's only been like a week. But it's gonna be like that if nobody freaking stays inside, so stay inside. Alright? This shit's getting out of control, and we need to control it. So we need to stay inside. And there's plenty of things to do inside, which is why I'm doing this video. I've been on YouTube for like hours and hours and hours, and all I've been seeing is like cleaning at your house, decluttering your bathroom, which is what we're doing today. Decluttering your room, your closet, all this stuff. We always say we don't have time for these things, and oh, if I have the time, I'll get around to it, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, this is the time. We can't be lazy because I've been lazy all freaking day long. I'm so bored, and what else can we do besides clean, basically? So I'm going to be cleaning underneath my sink in my mom's bathroom and in my bathroom because both are so bad. I've taken over my mom's like other sink and underneath, and it's just disgusting. And then along with that, my bathroom is disgusting. I have products in there from like 5 freaking years ago. I'm like not even exaggerating. But I want to just reorganize. I've been wanting to do like videos like this, but then I'm like, oh, like I need to have cute containers and all this stuff, and like you just don't. There's no excuse. Just get it done. Okay. I'm also going to be re-cleaning out my closet, which I'm not even going to open it because it's just so bad in there. There are clothes in there that I just haven't worn in so long. So stay tuned for that video because that will be coming very soon. I just hope everybody's staying safe out there, just washing your hands, try not to go outside. It's just making it worse, you know? You don't even know if you have it, and then you're sitting there spreading it to everybody else, and just going to keep spreading and spreading and spreading, and this shit's never gonna be freaking contained if we don't actually act upon it, and we'll be in this quarantine shit forever. We just need to protect ourselves, keep ourselves clean, and just stay freaking inside. Ugh, can't stress it enough. I'm in my workout clothes because I'm working out later. We have Gymshark leggings and whatever top this is. I don't know where it's from. I was in pajamas all day, and then I was like, I really just should get out of them. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys a before, obviously, of what we're doing here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna organize it. So I have 2 underneath the sinks to be doing. You guys are gonna see. It's really, really bad. I hope I'm able to motivate you guys and inspire you to really get to cleaning and doing these things, because I'm telling you, what else to do besides sit in bed all day? And then you get really bored. Like, I've been watching YouTube for so long and I'm like over it, and then I don't know what to do, and then I want to fall asleep and it's like 11 o'clock in the morning. Like, I don't know. Yeah, it's time to get out there. It's time to do something. Not out there, in here, in my bathroom. I don't even know what I'm saying. This intro is so long. Okay, let's just get into it. Okay, so here is my atrocious lighting bathroom. It's a mess, like gross. Okay, great, cool. So this is it. Nothing crazy, just a normal bathroom. But this is what the horrible part is. Guys, don't even say shit to me, okay? This is so bad. Look at how horrible this is. Like, oh my goodness, it's so unorganized. It's just horrible. Like, I don't even know what's in half these things. Like, what the... And then my medicine cabinet, whatever this thing's called, there's just so many products. I have not used half these products in so long that like it's literally ridiculous that I even have so much shit in here. So we're gonna clean this all out. We're gonna declutter this whole thing, figure out a really good way of organizing this all, because I'm not kidding, this was just so disgusting. I'm really not having it. Okay, so I'm sitting on the floor of my bathroom. I'm so sorry if it's echoey in here, because like it is kind of echoey in here. Like, what can you do? So I first got a trash bag because I just like I know I'm gonna need it. There's so much shit underneath this sink, and I know there's like hella products in here that I have not used in forever, and that I'm going to need to just completely throw out because they're probably so old. I'm gonna have to move my camera again. I have to go get the tripod. The life of a freaking YouTuber. You can't just easily just do anything. Get a tripod and do this and do that. It just never ends. It's such a small bathroom. I can't even like breathe. I just want to cut off my freaking head. It still looks crooked to me. Good? That works. So I'm just gonna start off, like I said, by taking everything out. Now I gotta move the ring light again. I can't. Good lighting, you need good recording, you need stabilized footage. Like, oh my god. Like this. Doesn't even have a freaking top on it. All these I got when I was 15. I have more in the medicine cabinet up there. I got these when I was 15 years old, and I still have them in here. Old freaking mascara. Like, empty bottle. Like, this is what I mean. We're gonna do a time lapse because this is gonna take me a little bit of time. Okay, so currently I just cleaned everything out. I'm gonna clean the bottom of this in a second. All this is gonna be staying in my bathroom, and then I have all this, but the thing is I have to clean out my mom's bathroom, like the part that's mine, to see how I'm gonna organize that to figure out how I'm gonna do all this. I'll show you guys the other under the sink. It's just as bad, so don't be surprised. Don't judge me either, thank you. This is my mom's bathroom. She has a way bigger bathroom, obviously. But this is my side of the bathroom, of like the sink, because when my dad moved out, I took this side of the bathroom, or this side of the sink, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna move in here, but in reality, I'm still in my other bathroom. Look at how bad this one is too. It is horrendous. I told you, it's literally so bad. Like, there's so many products in here that I have not used in forever. There's probably nothing that's good in here. So I'm gonna declutter this, and then we'll figure out how we're gonna organize both of them, because I kind of want to put the cleaning supplies in here, because currently our cleaning supplies for our bathroom is all down there, super disorganized. Kind of want to put all that stuff and put it in here, so it's a lot more organized for my mom and for me when we're cleaning all of our stuff. I'm like sweating, it is so freaking hot. So it is a lot later. Didn't feel like it to you, but for me it was. Currently 5:28. I stopped doing this around like 3:40, and I went to rollerblade for like an hour. I ate shit like 15 times. I have dirt all over my leggings, and I fell on my knee in the concrete, and there's blood through there. So I had to put a band-aid on. It was just this whole ordeal. Looked so disgusting. My hair is just gross, and we're all just like, ugh, it's just gross. I'm gonna change, and then we'll continue. We'll continue with the bathroom cleaning. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom, obviously, and this is what we're working with, as you guys saw. So I got another trash bag to just throw away. Like, there are products, like I can't remember the last time I used this. Like, this was like one of the first facial cleansers that I started to use. So if you could tell, I just cleaned it all out. It's disgusting. I had to really scrub down here. It's like, ew, it's so gross. I did not keep anything besides a few tampons. This little thing that I had to clean out too. And like these products up here. Okay, so I currently have all the products that I'm putting in this cabinet right here. So I'm just gonna kind of reorganize it in here. But we have these like towels that we constantly use up here just for like dusting our rooms or whatever it may be. I have another one. I wish I had like something to put it in, which honestly you could probably use like a container, like old containers or anything like that. You don't have to be bougie, okay? Like, you don't have to. Like, I thought that I did, and that's probably why I've never done this, because I'm like, oh yeah, I'll just get cute containers. I'll just get cute containers. Okay, those are like expensive from the container store, you know, the acrylic ones, the super nice ones, the super aesthetically pleasing one. But it's okay, you don't have it, you don't have to use it. Very convenient. Oh, look at my knee. That's what happened through my leggings. I probably should clean it with alcohol, because I just touched it and I'm touching all this stuff down here. Do you guys want to see me in pain really fast? Well, we'll do it. Okay, I'm back. I'm about to cry. It's like not burning. I'm surprised. Oh, it's starting to burn. Does the blowing actually work? Because I swear like our parents used to do that when we were little. They were just like, and you're like, oh yeah, it feels good. And then they stop blowing, and then you're like having your near-death experience because it's so painful. It's stinging, it's stinging. That was self-care time with Lonnie. All right, so I'm gonna show you, we'll just cue a little montage of my beautiful under the sink. I'm over here trying to film the montage, and look what happens. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Why is it making that sound? We're gonna cue the montage. I'm gonna end up cleaning the bathrooms tomorrow, because this is already a lot of work, guys. But this looks great. This looks great. This is good. Okay, so we have my mom here. She knows how bad the underneath of this bathroom was, right? Right, Mom?
Yes, it was awful.
We're gonna get a reaction.
Well, damn. That looks really good. Oh my God, what a freaking difference.
I know. Isn't it so nice?
It's very nice.
So now it's so much easier to grab all our products instead of
Now
it
you
being in
can
that
clean the bathroom and be able to have all the supplies right there with you.
Okay, so I didn't like film myself taking all these products out, but look at all that. That was everything in that cabinet. So I'm kind of just like going through everything to see what I would need, what I would want. I need to clean this first because it's kind of gross in there, not gonna lie. Let me go to my new cleaning supplies cabinet thing because it's so organized and stuff, you know. We love that. But I realize I really need to do some freaking yoga because my body is so tense. If you haven't seen my new video, my newest video on how to do a workout at home when you don't have the freaking gym, click the link in my bio. It'll be there, waiting for you. Okay, get up, do some exercise. So I'm gonna put all the bigger products at the top, obviously, because they fit up there better. I have like all my everyday products, like my deodorant, my perfume, my face lotion, everything. Like I don't do that in the bathroom for some reason. Like I don't know, I do it in my room. Maybe because I don't have a skin fridge. Shout out Kristen, because girl, I know I need one. I know. But I also need to go shopping for some good product, and then I'll get one. And then we'll do a what's in my skin fridge type of video because I love those videos. I love skincare so much, but I really don't do skincare. That's why I want to get more into skincare. But I really gotta test some products because like I have decently clear skin, but like right now I have like little bitty pimples everywhere. So it just kind of depends. So I was at Jesse's house for the longest time. Jesse's my boyfriend, if you didn't know. He has a YouTube video, link in the description. But I'm using this, the Mario Badescu, but I never really, I'm not like aware with my skin, like products or whatever. This is combination oily skin and I have really dry skin. So this like doesn't exactly work out for me because it still dries out. It dries out my skin like crazy. And then I use, let me go get my other freaking product. And then I've been using this lotion, Aveeno Clear Complexion. I've been using this moisturizer for like 2-3 years now and I'm just over it. Not being aware of your products is a big thing because I just never like cared because I never broke out. I don't wear makeup at all. I wear mascara, that's about it. So I never like cared about these things. But now I've noticed like a lot over this past year-ish that this has like really been drying out my, like it doesn't dry out my skin, it just doesn't moisturize to the extent that I need it to be. We're just gonna cue the montage of that even though you could see it, but let's just make it aesthetically pleasing. And then I'm gonna go on a walk. Oh, I just got back from the walk. It's currently 7:56. I've been at this all day, I know. But I'm like eager to like get back to the camera every time. I really love talking in front of the camera. I like realized that. I'm gonna actually do a video soon coming up about why I started YouTube and what it's helped me with and stuff like that. Like just why I have this dream of being a YouTuber. And not a dream, it's happening, it's realistic. But yeah, okay, but right now I'm organizing this little thing. I'm just gonna I have like a whole bunch of stuff here that I wanna put in here. I have these like PMI, once again, these like thong pad things. I have a whole bunch of tampons, this whole box, but this is like takes up so much space. Brandon, don't interrupt me, okay?
What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Coronavirus.
Not that. Found this like glass container thingy in my mom's bathroom that like I think originally had like fake flowers in it. I was like, all right, maybe I can use it to put in like bottles and stuff. I don't really know how any of this is gonna fit. We have 3 types of hairsprays and then random sunscreen. This was literally from the dollar store. But I was looking for a basket because I have all these like travel bags, but I just didn't want to like throw them in there so it's not like a mess, you know? So I was thinking to take this and put them in here just so they have a spot so they're not just thrown. And look at that. It literally fits perfect. Cue that freaking montage. So as you could tell, it looks so good compared to how it was before. Some extra toilet paper there. I have all my travel bags back here, along with just like a random mirror that like my grandma uses when she comes over. Have all my feminine products. I have extra floss, and I have just like travel stuff, retainer. This was randomly placed. Hairsprays, like a random conditioner, Listerine, the little cups, extra pads back there, and then also have water flosser thing. Such a big difference compared to how it was before. I'm recording her reaction. She knows what this looked like before. She will not forget.
Oh, there's room.
Isn't that amazing?
Unbelievable.
Looks
Nice.
good, right?
Yes.
And then I did that.
Oh.
Super organized, super functional. Okay, so I finally finished everything. That decluttering took me all day. I'm so tired, and it's like 9 o'clock, and I just want to take a shower. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope this motivates you to get out of bed and freaking do something and just declutter and really just like reorganize your life, because I think cleaning our spaces and having clean spaces really just like clears our minds and stuff like that. And I think that's really important, because I know if I have a messy room, I like cannot work in it at all. It's just too much going on, and then my brain feels like it's like that. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and like this video if you guys want more decluttering videos, cleaning videos. I'm gonna do them anyways, so like I'll feel like them. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm filming one tomorrow, so peace out.